Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I'm just reading a book.
That's nice. What book is it?
It is a story about a boy and his dog.
Can I borrow it when you are done?
Of course, I will give it to you next week.
When do we discuss about the project?
We can do it at any time you want.
When do you have time?
Just to choose one day.
What about this Friday?
Friday? At what time?
Afternoon. I'm free after 2 p.m.
Friday works for me, but 2 p.m.?
Will you be free? No, I will not be free after 2 p.m.
What about 10 p.m.?
10 o'clock a.m. I will be working. Around 4 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that works. I will be free.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at downtown coffee shop.
Is it quiet for discussion?
Yes, it's quiet and ideal for discussions.
The one next to the library, right?
Oh yeah, looking forward to it, Tom.
Me too, Sarah. I will bring the documents.
Great to see you on Friday. Me too. Have a great day. You too. Take care.
Give my love to your family.
Thank you for your kindness.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.